Our bus just hit that car and didn't even care about it.
You have 4 wives?
Yeah.
Really?
Rebecca's legs are sore, my biceps a little bit sore, you know. Let's do a head count.
I think we're onto something.
Hush. How do you get closer than that? How do you get closer than that? It's rough, scraping it. We just hit that car. Our bus just hit that car and didn't even care about it. Scraped up the whole side of it. Italy drivers.
Man, it was great.
Yeah,
you were better than him.
She's a lot better than me.
Grazie.
Thanks. We're going to the Leaning Tower of Pisa very soon, so be sure to check that one out. Should be pretty good. She's had a croissant and an espresso. She's happy now, aren't you, honey? 4 pugs. That's so good. We've noticed in Italy, everyone has 2 of the same kind of dog. Let's do a head count on how many people are trying to hold on to the Pisa in their photos. You gotta make a TikTok of that, You gotta though, as many high fives as you can get.
Yeah, I'm cutting them all together.
It'll go viral for sure. Hello. Yeah, sure.
Hey, thank you.
Thanks, Subway.
Thank you.
Your son.
Chicken pizza?
Yeah, we do that. It's not in the menu, but it's fast for us because Italian.
Yeah.
We made it.
Let's do it then. Leaning Tower of Pisa. The next time we're at Leaning Tower of Pisa, we'll be with our kids, I reckon.
Insert footage.
Insert footage with kids. Finn, you're 11. Sarah, you're 9. This is Dad here, check it out.
How many on
5,300 passengers on that one.
Find the best arancini. Google led us to this place. It was super busy, so I think we're onto something.
No, we don't know what we bought.
It is. Woo! Really.
Arancini was good. We didn't know what was in it at all. We didn't even know whose was whose. One was eggplant, one was meat.
Mine had eggplant and meat in it.
And I
James
started
had-
eating the eggplant and I freaked out because I didn't want to be a vegan again. Croissant thing, which we thought was a sausage roll.
But it was sweet.
Yeah, I don't know, my throat feels kind of weird after. It's kind of almost a changing of my... It is almost a changing of my voice. I don't know what is happening to me. How long does this process take?
40 minutes. Yes.
I'm just watching and just being a part of it.
I'm gonna do.
How long does this part take? Yeah.
I'm gonna do the rest when we come back.
We've got the next setting for lights. Number 7. Beck picks up hat.
Back-to-back
Whoa.
shows.
Hello.
Back-to-back cruising.
Yeah.
What does that mean for us?
Just means we've got more shows. It's a lot easier, you know, because we don't have to redo lights. We just go, yeah, do this, do that, and then we're done.
So that tech took about 20 minutes.
Finn for tango. How long does it take you to warm up?
Half an hour.
half an hour, honey. What's your performance routine like? Anything that helps you get in the zone?
After I set my costumes, I stretch.
Okay.
And that gets me in the zone.
Stretching gets you in the zone?
Yeah.
No music?
No.
Alright.
It's yours.
Well, I'm glad you asked. My performance routine consists of juggling a lot, just to get my hands warm. Need the hands warm. I listen to music sometimes if I'm feeling stressed, like if the boat's moving a lot, then I'll need to listen to some music, some worship music. But other than that, I use my resistant band a lot to warm up my shoulders and stuff. Let's do some juggling at lifts, honey. We went pretty hard at the gym yesterday because we didn't realise our show was on today. And Rebecca's legs are sore, my biceps a little bit sore, you know. But that's alright. Sometimes we try and not work out like 2 days prior to the show so that your body's not really sore. But it's okay. You know, your body just adjusts. Should be alright. Pretty spent after 2 shows. It's always like the left side of my back pulls a little bit. Got both ankles strapped up still, so now the packing up begins.
Not a wave inside. This is what the med is all about.
So on the ship there's some soul Motown music kind of people, so I feel like I could probably get in that groove this cruise. What do you think, honey?
No. Public to see.
Well, I'm being inspired by people. This is how you learn. You try things and you find out, hey, maybe I'm not actually that good at it. But with a bit more practice, get ready, you can see it come on. Get ready. Hit my back a little bit. We're at the port of Naples. We were here 7 years ago. Insert footage of us when we were 12. Just finished our show last night. Went down a treat, didn't it?
Yeah, really good.
Went really well. And I think it helps with the boat not moving much, you know?
We got a 20-minute show today.
Pop-up show. Popping up.
You have 4 wives.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
They're all here. Do they all know about each other?
No.
No, I'm okay, thank you. Naples update, we've been taken for a ride a few times. Naples, watch out for that. If they don't let you ask questions about prices or anything beforehand, so you sit down for a crepe, they put it in front of you, slap it on the plate, they say, do you want 3? We say no, they give us 7, and they just charge you 50 euros for it. You've got to start asking better questions like how much is this going to cost before you sit down? What do you reckon? It's not like that everywhere, but I feel like Naples, it's a bit of a hustle bustle, isn't it? Figured it out now that if there's locals sitting at a restaurant or locals in any place, you know that the price is going to be reasonable. That's where we've got our show tonight. 20 minutes. Bit of self-analysis going on.
Backfoot.
Yeah,
Missing.
backflip is missing. You never reply to me. Here I'm saying to Rebecca, squeeze, make sure you squeeze on the way down. Squeeze, squeeze, and I get no response. There it is. Yeah. Darling, you look like Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
You are? Here we go with a big quick change. Oh! This is stinging like the fire out of the belly of a dragon, and she's just like, it's just the mint. The mint's just making it a little bit minty. I feel like my face is on fire. What am I going to look like after this? A gladiator, aren't I? Been a good cruise? we were just saying we're really thankful. We're thankful for our jobs, thankful for our bodies, thankful for each other. That helps us some days, you know, when you wake up and you've got a big mission. Whatever your challenge is today, just list 3 things that you're thankful for. And it makes you higher spirits, doesn't it, hun? It makes you feel a bit like, oh, my problems aren't actually that bad.
No.
This is a thankful day today. We're thankful.